Okay, let's start it without wasting much of time. I hope everyone would have downloaded the Excel file which is uploaded in the Google Classroom as well as in the WhatsApp. Some of the students who are unable to get it in the Google Classroom, they are facing the difficulty in downloading the file from there. I don't know for what reasons. So for them, I have uploaded in the WhatsApp as well. But from the next lecture onwards, please try to get the things that where you're getting stuck in getting the files from Google Classroom, because from next lecture onwards we are going to upload it over there only. Okay, I'm going to the file which I have circulated to all of you. Now this one is going to be extremely productive lecture for you as far as the visualizations in Excel are concerned. Okay, uh, up to GDP nominal terms, that was a task number 5, we have already gone through with the chart. Today we are going to prepare a candle stock chart in the stock data. So everyone should go to the stock chart over there. That is this file. Let me share my screen with all of you. Okay, so everyone should be able to see such type of a data there. Now people would be assuming that, sir, what sort of a data is there? We are unable to get it. For your understanding, let me first give you the idea about the data first. There are dates given to you. Then there is a volume. Volume is nothing but the amount of shares, the number of shares which are traded in that particular day. And these are the figures of Reliance Industries Limited since last few number of days. I don't know what is the exact number of days I have taken here, but there are some number of days for which we have taken the data. Now volume is the amount of shares, the number of shares which are traded in that particular day. Volume, right? Quantity of shares. Now as far as the prices of shares are concerned, it can be plotted in a chart in this fashion, where 4 prices are given to you, and you will be able to see such type of a boxes. This is box, can also be regarded as a candle, and this is how the candle will be looking like. Right now there are two types of candle. One is green candle, another one is red candle, or some people use a different color as well. We may change the color of these candles as per the requirement in a chart. Excel will be able to give you the white and black for negative. Now what this candle represent, try to understand this. This is going to be extremely useful to you as far as the share analysis is concerned. uh, this candle represent one time frame. Time frame can be 5 minutes, can be 1 hour, can be 2 hour, can be 1 day, can be 1 week, can be 1 year. Now in this case we have taken a time frame of 1 day. So in that particular day, this candle tells us the 4 details as far as the prices are concerned. The first detail it gives us is the open. Say if this is the green candle, so it gives you the opening price. This is the open. Then it gives you a second interpretation, that is the close price. This is the price at which the candle is getting closed, and that you will be able to see in this axis. The prices will be presented over there. Then it will also give you the price of high, that is in that particular day what was the highest price at which this stock was traded in the market. Now NSE and BSE are nothing but the two different supermarkets. जो चीज डीमार्ट में मिलती है वही बिग बाजार में मिलती है, और सेम चीज आपको बिग बाजार में भी मिलेगी, डीमार्ट में भी मिलेगी. तो जो शेयर्स आप लेते हो रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज लिमिटेड, दैट शेयर इज अवेलेबल इन द बिग बाजार टू, इज अवेलेबल इन द डीमार्ट टू. So in that particular day, what was the high price of that share, what was the open, that was what was the close, and this one stands for the low, that is the lowest price. Now this candles gives you an idea about that what was the range of price. In that particular range the price was moving in that particular day, and based on the patterns of this, no, if you have this plotted chart, you may analyze it further and you may predict the future trend as well. You may predict that, what is the price at which it is getting the support, what is the price at which it is getting the rejection, from where you should purchase it, from where you should sell it. So every such sort of a details will be possible if you have the stock chart, which is a candle chart for you. Candle is a one type of a chart used for the stock analysis. There are various other charts as well, but candle is one of the highly used charts. Various methods, various analytical patterns, various charting techniques, various indicators are based on uh, this candle charts. That's why it's very important one. Now this one is the case of a green, but if this is a red one, no, then the interpretation would be slightly different. Say this is the candle, here you have. So this one tells you about the close, because what is the meaning of red? That means in that particular day the prices got down, right? So here it was having the open, then this one was the high, and the lowest one was the low. So open and close both are changed in this two. You may check it. In the green candle, this one is the open and this one is the close, while in a red candle, here you have the open and here you have the close, right? So how to prepare such sort of a task? Now, without going into much of a conceptual understanding, we may start applying this chart further so that we'll be able to get it in a better way. No need to worry, you will be able to get it. Very simple, nothing. आपको ओपन, हाई, लो और क्लोज, ये चारों प्राइजेस को आपको सिलेक्ट करना है. And if you want the dates to be displayed along with that, you may select the date as well, right? Now let's not take the date as of now, just keep it as simple. मैंने open, high, close और low चारों को select कर लिया, and everyone should note this down. You must have the data in this format, starting from open, then you have high, then you should have low, and then you should have close. If the order is being changed, then the stock prices would be different. I mean, you will not be able to see the same prices in the charts. This must be the order: open, high, low, and then close. Then I'm going to the insert tab, and in insert tab everyone should be able to find the stock charts. And if it is not visible to you, you may go to any option and you can go to more charts. Of any more charts, go over there, click on any more line charts, and you will be able to see such sort of a table where all the charts should be visible to you. From there I am selecting the stock charts. Let me see where the stock charts are there. See, here I have the stock chart, right? And I'm selecting the second one, that is candle. Now it tells you that how your data should be. The data should be open, high, low, and close. Then only you will be able to apply this. Now I'm selecting on the second one and pressing the OK. So see, my chart is visible to you. That is the candle chart. Now what does this white mean? White means the prices went up in that particular day, and the black means the prices went down in that particular day. Now this body of candle tells you a lot about the stock price. That tells you a lot about the analytical processes. Is everyone there along with me till now? If you have any queries or question, please let me know. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Good. So let me interpret this big candle. No, what is the interpretation of it? Try to understand that. Say this one is the open price. This one is my open. Then this one is my close price. This one is close. Now it tried to reach over there. That was his highest point. Here there was a highest point, but it couldn't survive there. From that highest point, there was a clear-cut, strong rejection. And within a day itself, the prices were closed at this particular level. Now this tells you a lot about rejection and support level. See, if you can notice down further, no, these are certain pointed candles over here. This is the support line. So you must be able to see that prices are not falling below 2050. And this is your resistance. What is the meaning of resistance? Resistance माने के prices are not going to get past this particular level. उससे ऊपर वो नहीं जा पा रहे. यहाँ पे रिजेक्शन मिला, फिर यहाँ पे मिला, फिर थर्ड वाले पे मिला, फिर से रिजेक्शन मिला, फिर इन्वेस्टर है अपनी पेशेंस को गवा बैठते हैं. फिर जैसे ही पेशेंस गवा बैठते हैं तो अचानक से फॉल आता है. यहाँ पे देखो, फिर आपके 200-300 रुपए अचानक से कम हो जाएंगे, क्योंकि वो बहुत कोशिश कर रहा था ऊपर जाने की, लेकिन वहां पे स्ट्रॉन्ग रिजेक्शन मिल रहा था. So this one is the, you know, the friend zone. You cannot keep him or her in the friend zone for too long. Otherwise, then there would be a breakdown taking place. So this one tells you about the support line. उससे नीचे वो नहीं जा रहा. So support line से आपको क्या मिलता है, मालूम पड़ता है कि support line से आपको purchase price मालूम पड़ती है. अब हम फाइनेंस में क्या कहते हैं, we tell it in a finance that if something is happening for one time, it can be a mistake. If the same thing is happening for twice, it can be coincident. But if the same thing is repeated for thrice, no, then it's a pattern. And once it is a pattern, you may rely on that pattern for your future decisions. So there is a rejection clear cut. If you see, there is rejection over here to first one, rejection over here to, not rejection, support. Here, support over here too. So 3 times or 4 times I'm able to see the support of Reliance nearby 2050. उससे नीचे वो जा ही नहीं रही है प्राइस. सो अगर अब नेक्स्ट टाइम से अगर वो नीचे तक जाती है तो मैं यहाँ पे रिलाई कर सकता हूँ, 2050 पे मैं बाय करने में रिलाई कर सकता हूँ, बिकॉज आई नो दैट पैटर्न आई हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड इन द पास्ट इन द कैंडल्स. There is a strong support which this price is getting at 2050. And in the similar manner, if I want to book my profits after purchasing it, or if I want to sell it, then I can sell it over here, this particular point. Why? Because from there the price is not going up. That is the clear cut rejection. उससे ऊपर नहीं जा रही है, वहां से रिजेक्शन मिल रहा है. Now, along with that, if you want the quantity as well, that in one particular day, what was the quantity which was traded? Now, quantity matters. Sometimes the price movements are too high, but you need to see that whether it is backed by the quantity or not. Whether the quantity is also very significant or not. Whether the amount of shares which are traded are very significant or not. Quantity tells you again various other things. It tells you about that what is the interest of public in that particular stock right now. Higher the quantity is traded, higher is the interest. And if there is a too much of quantity along with the share price movement, then you can back that share price movement. I mean, that is more authentic because that has been supported by the quantity as well. So if you want the quantity again in the chart, you may do it again. Let me delete this. We are going to do this. I hope you are getting it. Till now, you have got it, right? If you have any question or query, please let me know. All of you have got it, surely?
Yes, sir.
Good. So for the quantity, you must have the volume as well along with you. So starting from volume in this case, that is nothing but the number of shares which are traded on that particular day. So starting from volume to the close, I'm selecting it. Then I'm going to insert tab, and in insert tab, everyone must be able to see the stock charts. If you are not able to see, you may go to the other charts, and from there you may select it. See, in the waterfall one, I have this particular chart. Now, if you select the fourth one, no, it tells you about the volume too. This particular volume, stock chart along with the volume. Now, in earlier versions, stock prices might be there with you, but along with the volume, you might not be able to find. That is there in 2016 or 19 only, as far as I know. If it is there, then it's perfectly fine. No need to prove me wrong about it. अच्छा है. है तो आपके पास बहुत अच्छा है, लेकिन अगर नहीं है तो फिर आपको सिर्फ स्टॉक चार्ट्स में काम चलाना पड़ेगा। यहाँ पे आपको वॉल्यूम भी मिलेंगे। सो आई एम सिलेक्टिंग द वॉल्यूम and you must be able to see the volume as well. So this price rise, no, if you can see that on that particular day, उस दिन पे जो प्राइस राइज हुआ है, that is backed by the volume as well, because at that time the volume was more than 6 crores, around 7 crores. You must be able to see the volume too. So that was a very significant price rise. Why it was very significant? You may bake it more than any other price change, because this price change is very authentic, very relevant, backed by the strong volume. There is a lot of interest in that particular stock. And why there was a lot of interest in that particular stock on that day, there could be some reasons behind it. You may predict it in the future that this prices might be having a very significant changes, because ये इतना बड़ा क्वांटिटी कोई जैसा तैसा इंसान ट्रेड नहीं कर सकता। 7 करोड़ क्वांटिटी, and that is also one unit is around 2300 2200। तो ये क्वांटिटी ट्रेड करने वाले लोग हमारे जैसे चिंटू मिंटू छगनलाल मगनलाल नहीं है। These are the giant mandatas of this. These people must have identified some relevant information about this stock. These people might have identified some, big things which are happening in this company, and that's why they are reaching to this conclusion. That's why they are putting too much of interest in this stock. And on that day, it raised like anything. It was backed by the quantity, and the quantity was too high as compared to the previous day's quantity. Previous day's quantity was just 2 crores, then it reached to 7 crores within a day. What was the reason behind it? There could be some potential price changes at that time. So this price rise was backed by too much of quantity, and if the price rise is backed by quantity, it becomes more authentic. You may enter at these levels. हम अंतर्यामी नहीं है, हम ज्योतिष शास्त्र पढ़ के नहीं बैठे, हमें नहीं मालूम पड़ता प्राइस कहां पे जाएगी, लेकिन हम डेटा को विजुअलाइज कर सकते हैं। हम डेटा में से सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस को फाइंड कर सकते हैं। सो एवरीवन वुड हैव, अब मैं ये छोटे छोटे बातों में नहीं जा रहा हूं कि इसका फॉर्मेटिंग में कलर कैसे चेंज करना। यू मे सिलेक्ट ओवर हियर, राइट क्लिक, then format data series. Then once you press on this format data series, on right hand side you must be having such type of an options. From there you may change the color, border कैसे अलग देना है, आपको फिल क्या करना है। से मुझे कोई और कलर चाहिए तो मैं सॉलिड फिल में गया और वहां पे जाके मैंने किसी और कलर को सिलेक्ट कर दिया, ये वाला कैंडल। तो ये मेरा वॉल्यूम है वो कुछ अलग अलग कलर में आ गया। तो ये कलर मुझे कैसे, किसको क्या देना है, कैंडल्स वगैरह को कलर कैसे देना है, तो उसके ऊपर जाके जैसे ही हम क्लिक करेंगे कैंडल्स के ऊपर, राइट क्लिक, तो उसमें आ जाएगा फॉर्मेट डाउन बार्स। तो फॉर्मेट डाउन बार्स में जैसे ही गए तो फिर यहाँ पे जी आप कलर दे सकते हो अपने हिसाब से, राइट। सो सिलेक्ट द कलर फॉर ऑल दिस टू। फर्स्ट वन को क्या देना है, सेकेंड वन को क्या देना है, एंगल क्या, डायरेक्शन क्या रखना है, सो मेनी sorts of things, बट उसको हमें एक्सप्लोर ही करना पड़ेगा। उसके लिए हम बहुत ज्यादा डिटेल्स में नहीं जा सकते, क्योंकि हमारा काम महत्व का ये है कि चार्ट अप्लाई कैसे करना और उसको इंटरप्रेट कैसे करना। फिर उसमें छोटे छोटे चिंटू सा डिटेल्स तो बहुत सारी चेंज होती जाएगी, तो वो आप थोड़ा सा अपने हिसाब से भी देख लीजिए। और उसके अंदर आप पिक्चर भी डाल सकते हो। यहाँ पे किसी को चार्ट एरिया में कुछ पिक्चर डालना है तो कुछ पिक्चर डाल दो चार्ट एरिया में जाके, कोई बात नहीं, कर सकते हो। कुछ और कलर्स देने हैं दे सकते हो, ओके। But I hope the interpretation part is clear now. Everyone, is everyone there along with me? Okay. So here,
Yes, sir.
so here certain fields are there where 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 and all such sort of things are written. Instead of that, if I want the dates over there, no, then what I will do, I will again click over there, right click, and we'll go to the select data. And in select data, in here you must be able to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and many other things are given, right? In the horizontal axis labels. But I do not want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want the dates to be returned. We want that what was the date on which that movement took place. So I'm going to the edit box there, and in edit box I will select the date right from the first one, that is 24th of August, to the last one. So the dates are selected up to the last one. Now press OK. So instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you have the dates now. Again press OK. So you must be having the dates over there. Check it out. See? And meanwhile, two columns will be blank because सैटरडे और संडे ये दोनों को मार्केट बंद रहता है, तो आपको दो डेट के यहाँ पे बार नहीं मिलेंगे. सैटरडे और संडे मार्केट बंद रहता है ना, मार्केट इज ऑपरेटिंग ओनली फॉर 5 डेज. इसके लिए आपको डेट वाइज अगर करोगे तो आपको दो वाले के अंदर बीच में आपको गैप मिलेगा. सैटरडे संडे मार्केट बंद रहता है इसके लिए. So it's better to go with the series actually, so that we do not get the break over here, right? That's why I didn't enter the break in the earlier one. So I had received the feedback from some of the students that they were facing the problems in simultaneously performing the task in their laptop. So giving you 2 minutes, very simple, silent 2 minutes. Meanwhile, if anyone is having any query, they may sort it out. Others are requested to do it in your Excel file. Please do it, giving you the enough time to do it. Okay, Miss Bhavini is of the opinion that should I repeat how to edit date? Yes, dear, why not? So instead of date, if I just want the series, then what I will do, Bhavini, say I am inserting one row over here before A, one column actually, and one column is inserted. Let me give the series. So what I'm doing here is I'm inserting one. Now I don't want to do it, for this many number of periods. What I can do is equal to 1 plus 1. So you have got the second series number. And the series is representing the time only, right? Time in days. Okay. So I'm again copying this. This is a very cool shortcut trick, because if you want to give a series in the Excel, it becomes little difficult. So हमने क्या किया, फॉर्मूला इंसर्ट कर दिया है. मेरे पास सीरीज आ गई एंड तक. यहां तक सीरीज आ गई एंड कंट्रोल वी में करता हूं. जस्ट अ मिनट. कंट्रोल वी में करता हूं तो मेरे पास सीरीज आ गई है. अब भाविनी का डाउट यह है कि सर मुझे डेट्स की जगह पे सीरीज करनी हो तो क्या करना. तो बेटा आप गए इधर सीरीज के ऊपर क्लिक किया, ठीक है. राइट क्लिक करोगे तो आपके पास सिलेक्ट डेटा करके एक ऑप्शन आएगा, वन ऑप्शन ऑफ सिलेक्ट डेटा. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ डेट, if you just want the series plain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so go to this edit one, horizontal one. So I'm going to the edit, I'm clicking on this button. Some people would be like, sir, why you are calling it button? It's a click. Okay, so I'll be calling it a click. So clicking on that button again, but I'm habituated to do with that, I'm sorry. So instead of that, I'm starting with 1. So starting with 1 and up to the last one, I'm selecting it, pressing enter, again pressing OK. Here as well pressing OK. See, the chart is there again in the series. Is it clear, Bhavini? How did I edit it?
Yes, sir.
I hope good. Thank you very much. I hope others have got the enough time as well, sufficient time to perform this in their laptop. Okay, everyone, let's try to analyze the price of one more stock today. Let's try to analyze the TCS. So everyone should start along with me. आप मेरे साथ सर्च भी करिए, ठीक है? तो हम जाते हैं गूगल में और हम क्या सर्च करेंगे? द हिस्टोरिकल प्राइसेस ऑफ TCS, टाटा कंसल्टेंसी सर्विस, और उसका लास्ट 2 महीने का हम प्राइसेस कॉपी करेंगे। एक्सेल में कैसे कॉपी करना है, कैसे वहां से प्राइस फेच करना है, सब कुछ बता रहा हूँ, सिखा रहा हूँ, ठीक है? एवरीवन स्टार्ट डूइंग इट अलोंग विथ मी. आई एम सर्चिंग इट. Historical price of TCS. And Yahoo Finance also gives you, various other websites also gives you the historical prices. So what I am searching, historical price of TCS. Let me use the magnifier too. So I am pressing enter. So let me see what are the various websites which gives me the historical prices. Investing.com gives me, Yahoo Finance gives me. So let me go to the Yahoo Finance, because that is the first one we have. Everyone, please go to the Yahoo Finance. And the internet is playing the Garba. Okay, let me wait for Garba to end. It is still moving round and round, round and round. जलेबी की तरह जाता ही जा रहा है, जाता ही जा रहा है. अनुष्का शर्मा के डेंड्रफ की तरह आ जाता है, चला जाता है, फिर से आ जाता है. Okay, so I'm able to see the prices of TCS along with the volume. Say everyone would be taking the price right from the beginning of August. So up to the 3rd of August, we will be taking it. Now, problem over here is that price is, is given in a different manner. आपको पहले आज के प्राइस है, फिर पीछे वाले प्राइस मिलेंगे. तो ये तो पूरा चार्ट उल्टा बन जाएगा, तो उसको हमें पहले सॉर्ट भी करना पड़ेगा. तो उसके लिए अलग फंक्शन यूज करेंगे बाद में. So what I'm doing, right from the 1st of October, I'm selecting it up to say 3rd of August. Up to this point, I'm selecting the data. This should be my selection. I hope everyone is able to see that. Then I'm doing Control C, and I haven't done anything else, just done the Control C over here. Then I may go to the Excel file where I want to paste this data. So अपना Excel फाइल में जाते हैं, ठीक है? अब नीचे यहां से पेस्ट करना शुरू करते हैं. अब पेस्ट में डायरेक्टली कंट्रोल V मत करना, प्लीज डू नॉट डू दैट. Do not press Control V directly, because only values we want. So we just want to paste the values, nothing else. So I'm going to the Home tab, going to the Paste option, and in Paste, everyone should be able to see the Paste Spatial. And in Paste Spatial, please select the Unicode text, and press OK. So you will be having the prices like this. Has everyone got it? What did I do over here? Should I repeat this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
मतलब repeat के लिए yes है कि आ गया है उसके लिए yes?
Sir, please repeat once.
सर रिपीट करिए प्लीज.
ये रिपीट करिए. कोई बात नहीं बेटा, मैं आपके लिए तो हूं इधर, कोई टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. अच्छा, हम जाते हैं याहू फाइनेंस में, जहां से डेटा को कॉपी करना है. तो मैंने क्या किया है, सबसे पहला कुछ नहीं किया है भैया. ये जो मेरा 5th of October है ना, वहां से लेके अपन डेटा को कॉपी करते अप टू 3rd of August को. तो यहां तक सिलेक्ट कर लिया. पीछे वाला सिलेक्ट ना हो जाए वो थोड़ा सा देखना प्लीज, चेक इट आउट. Once those prices are selected, pressing Control C, right? अब तक सब मेरे साथ है? Control C तक?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Good. So now I am going to the task file. Now I need to see that where I want to paste the data, right? So I'm going to A33. From A33 of stock chart worksheet, I want to paste this data. But if you'll be pressing Control V, it will be taking the formatting as well. What sort of a colors and such borders and pictures which are inserted in that website, everything would be taken. We do not want that to be taken over here. We just want the plain prices written in numbers. So what can I do? I can go to the paste spatial option that is there in the home tab, and in the paste there is a paste spatial option. Then you can go to this paste spatial over here. I do not want to do the simple paste. Something special needs to be done, so that's why we are using paste spatial. Clicking on that and selecting the second option, that is Unicode text. So whatever the text is there, only that I want to paste it, nothing else. And that should also not be coded one. And pressing OK. पेस्ट स्पेशल में हम बाद में आते हैं, आपको टेंशन नहीं लेना है. पेस्ट स्पेशल आने वाला है, अच्छी तरीके से आने वाला है. लेकिन अभी के लिए डेटा चाहिए था तो थोड़ा सा एप्लीकेशन आया तो कर दिया. Okay, now the problem is that the prices are in reverse order, right? We have the price of today first, and then yesterday, and then the day before yesterday. So we do not want to have the prices like this. It must be from beginning to the end. So what I'm doing is I'm selecting this data entirely. And you people are aware that how can I select it? And if not, then I'm repeating this. From here up to the right hand side, I can press Control Shift right arrow, and to select up to the downside, Control Shift down arrow. Once that has been done, then you may go to the home tab. Then everyone, please follow me. Everyone should be able to see sort and filter. And in sort and filter, I'm going to custom sort. So this sort of a table must be visible to me. Then I'm going to column number B, column number A. Okay, column number A के अंदर हमने dates insert करके रखी है, देखो, right? So column number A, sort on cell values from oldest to newest. Select from oldest to newest. So पहले वाला पहले आ जाएगा, बाद वाला बाद में आ जाएगा. कुछ नहीं किया, sort कर रहे, arrange कर रहे. पहली डेट पहले, बाद वाली डेट बाद में आनी चाहिए. So pressing OK. So your dates must be sorted out downside. Check it. So from 4th August we have, from 3rd August, it is in our ascending order now. Is everyone there along with me till now? Surely, let me know. Or should I repeat it?
So the first option was itself called as unit. When did you go to custom sort?
अच्छा, फर्स्ट वाला ही होता तो बेटा फर्स्ट वाला करने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं था. फिर वो पूछता आपको कि एक्सपांड द सिलेक्शन, बिकॉज क्या होता है कि सिर्फ आप डेट को सॉर्ट आउट कर लोगे तो खाली डेट्स को सॉर्ट आउट करने में क्या है कि वो है ना, फिर बाकी का जो डेटा है उसका सिलेक्शन एक्सपांड हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है वो आप देख नहीं पाओगे. फिर वहां पे आपको ऑप्शन मिलेगा, यू कैन डू इट दैट एज वेल. सी इफ आई एम सिलेक्टिंग ओनली द डेट्स and if I go over there, that is home tab, then let me just go to very simple one, as you said, oldest to newest. So I'm oldest to newest. तो फिर वो पूछेगा कि you want to expand the selection, because सिर्फ पहले वाला कॉलम ही आपका सॉर्ट हो जाएगा तो आपके डेट्स तो मिसमैच हो जाएंगे ना आपके प्राइसेस से. प्राइसेस एंड डेट्स विल नॉट बी मिसमैच्ड. So that's why we want to expand this selection. So again, you may sort it further, and that way is also possible. Why I avoided in the earlier one, because if you would have forgotten to expand the selection, then your data might be mismatched. That's why you can follow that too. I don't have any problem. Obviously, we want the results by whatever the way. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. Now again, one more thing. We want the volumes to be there at the first over here, right? Because see, if you want the volume chart, no, then the volumes must be there in the first column, and then this must be, open, close, high, and everything, open, high, and those prices. So volume must be there next to the date. So here in this case, volume is not there next to the date. So what I'm doing, I'm adding the column between date and this price, the second wala price, niche wala. So I'm going selecting the B. Please go over there on B. Click on it. So your entire column is selected. Then do right click. And in right click, please insert a column like this. Now what you can do, take this quantity, select it, Control X to cut it, and Control V to paste it over here. Give me a confirmation whether you are there along with me. Giving you 1 minute.
Sir, can you please repeat?
Okay. What should I repeat here?
The last thing.
Okay, the inserting column and everything.
Yes.
Okay, let me do Control Z. I'm reaching to the normal. This is how the prices was looking like, right? Here we have the volume, that is the quantity. Just a minute. Let me use magnifier so that you get in a better way. So this one is the volume, right? We want volume between date and the first price. Now, if we want the volume between that, then obviously we require one column between two, right? So I'm going to the B column, B number column, click on it. So the B numbers column is entirely selected. Then have a right click. Then after right click, you may go to the insert. So your column is inserted now, see. So once the column is inserted between date and price, no, we are right now referring the second data we have here, right? Then you may take the volume over there. So I'm selecting the entire volume, Control Shift down arrow to select it entirely, the entire volume. Control X is to cut the data, and from here I will press Control V. So the data will be shifted over here. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Good.
Sir,
बताइए.
sir, can you also repeat how you custom sorted the data?
Okay, how did I custom sorted the data? So see, again, I'm selecting the data right from the first one to the last one. Control Shift right arrow up to the last cell of right hand side. Control Shift down arrow up to the last cell of the downside. Then I'm going to the home tab over there. I can go to sort and filter, then custom sort. And in this custom sort, this sort of a table must be visible to you. So column number A, you must observe that in our selection, the column number A is of the dates, right? So column number A must be existed based on oldest to newest. So sort on cell values. So whatever the values which are written over there, no, that is date. I want to sort on that. And that must be oldest to newest. So here your sort by में must be there should be a column, and in newer there must be oldest to newest. Press OK, and you must be having the data arranged from oldest to newest, from 3rd of August to the last day we have today, that is 5th of October. Is it clear now, everyone?
Yes, sir. Clear.
But so you people are aware that how to apply the stock chart now, right? So volume से select करो और second last तक select करो. This one is the adjusted closing price. Now there could be some difference between the adjusted closing price and the closing price. There are some technical reasons behind it, but we would be taking this as a closing price only. So this one is my closing, this one is my volume. Because if I'll go to that adjusted closing price, no, that would be too much into the finance concepts. So we are right now not doing the finance, we are right now in the Excel. So I'm not going into that. Okay, the order is like this. The first one is open, close, open, high, close, and open, high, low, and close. Sorry. So copying that and putting it over here. So this is how you would be having it. Okay, so now we can move to the prices. Open, high, low, close along with the volume. Select it. Then you may go to the insert tab, and in the insert tab everyone shall go to the stock chart along with the volume. So here you have along with the volume, selecting the last one. But people would be like, sir, we are unable to get the good amount for the prices. You know, prices के लिए थोड़ा सा अच्छी तरीके से नहीं है. तो एक काम करते हैं, प्राइसेस के स्केल्स को थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज कर देते हैं. मिनिमम है उसको थोड़ा सा, क्योंकि कैंडल्स बड़े दिखेंगे तभी तो कुछ अच्छी तरीके से एनालाइज कर पाएंगे ना, तब तक नहीं कर पाएंगे अपन. तो कैंडल्स थोड़े से बड़े दिखने चाहिए. तो सर उसके लिए क्या करें? तो हम जा सकते हैं, selecting on that, click on that candles. Then you may have a right click. See what I'm doing, please check it. I'm going to that candle randomly, any candle, and click on that. So that is selected now. Now you may have a right click, and in right click you must be able to see format data series, right? So I'm clicking on that format data series, going to right hand side. Okay, in format data series, the option must be visible to me. Just give me a 1 minute whether it is there or not. No, not this one. Just give me 30 seconds. I need to check the appropriate option for this. There are so many options, you know, even I need to see it actually. I have got it. Just give me 1 minute. The prices are visible. Okay, so if you have got it, then it's perfectly fine. If you haven't, then I'm explaining it to you what you should do. So to get these candles, what you can do is you can click on this candles, have a right click, and from there you may go to the format data series, right? Now in that format data series, please select the option of this secondary vertical axis, because in that secondary vertical axis there is a candle chart. There are candles. In primary one we have those one, actually the volume. In secondary one we have the prices. So we must go to the second one, that is secondary vertical value, right? In that, no, not the grid lines, just give me 1 second. Secondary value axis, sorry, this one. From there you may go to the fourth option, that is axis options, the fourth one here, this case. From there, axis options, you may select that what is the minimum you want or what is the maximum you want, price. So that will give you that. So from here it will start from minimum, right? That is 2000, और 2000 से नीचे कोई प्राइस है ही नहीं, तो हमें उधर से ही शुरू करना है. और 2750 is the maximum I want to keep, so I'm selecting minimum as well as maximum over there. And what is the difference I want to keep between the units? 50, 100 or 200 or whatever. Here in this case I have put 50. You may keep it 100 as well. So if I'm keeping the difference of 100, no, so if you can notice down here, this one, that scale will be changed. If I press enter, see, instead of 50 we have the scale of 100 now. Are you getting it? Surely everyone give me a confirmation. And once that is done, then we may move to analysis of this. Now let me remove the volume for a while. You may remove the volume if you do not want to. How? Go to select data, right click over there, select data and remove the volume from here. You may remove it from the filter tab too. Remove the volume, press OK. So you must be having the simple candle chart like this. Try to understand now. This one is the strong support. Strong support. The prices were there for so many number of days. So below that, it was not moving. That was the stop. That was a support, right? यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा रेजिस्टेंस आया, उसको देखना, समझने की कोशिश करो. यहाँ पे रेजिस्टेंस आता है. From that, it was not able to move up. Then रेजिस्टेंस आया, उसके कारण थोड़ा सा सेलिंग आई है यहाँ पे. So prices were down by 100 to 150 or something for next 2 days. And if you see that, once the resistance which you had, no, if that resistance is crossed, then the same resistance becomes your support line. So that was the resistance of this particular price. But today that resistance has been crossed. That is the last day. Today we have. So once that resistance is closed, no, the same resistance becomes your support line now. Now prices will get the support over here. Now this is not something which I'm telling to you just because I wanna convey this to you. No, ये हवा में बातें नहीं है. This has been seen in the historical prices. In the chart analysis of the stocks, if you see, the resistance is crossed once. If you are breaking the resistance, the same becomes your support line in the next moments. Now अब prices कहाँ पे भी टूटेंगी ना, तो ये जहाँ पे उसको resistance मिल रहा था पहले, अब वहां पे उसको support मिलने लगेगा. That shall be 2550. I'm not telling that prices will be behaving in this fashion only. No. This is all about the probability. There is a higher probability, extremely higher probability, that prices will behave in this manner only. This is going to be the support line now. And once that first support will be broken, if the support is broken, we call it a breakdown in the prices. Then the second support it will be getting over here. वो ब्रेकअप हो जाने के बाद नहीं बोलते कि अब मेरे को मैसेज भी मत करना, तो फिर मैसेज में से ब्लॉक हो जाए, फिर मेल पे आती है चीजें, फिर मेल में से ब्लॉक हो जाए तो फिर और चीजों में आती है, तो फिर यहाँ पे है ना सेकंड सपोर्ट है। और सपोर्ट से रिवर्सल होने के चांसेस ज्यादा होते हैं, और ऊपर रेजिस्टेंस है तो है ही, लेकिन रेजिस्टेंस जब ब्रेक होता है, प्लीज पुट इन द बैक ऑफ योर माइंड, व्हेनेवर द रेजिस्टेंस इज ब्रोकन, नो, इट बिकम्स इट्स न्यू सपोर्ट. Today the resistance which the TCS was facing, no, it's broken. So now in the next few days to come, this line is going to be the support line for it. उससे नीचे वो जाने के लिए थोड़ा सा स्ट्रगल करेगा, वहां पे उसको स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट मिल सकता है. I hope you are getting it. Everyone, give me a confirmation, positive or negative, so that I can move ahead. I know it's little bit difficult as far as charting options are concerned. No, it's there are so many number of options over there, so we may get little bit confused, but try to interpret the chart. क्योंकि ऑप्शंस वगैरह में इतना ज्यादा अभी ये मत करो, आपको आ जाएगा, थोड़ा सा आप ऊपर नीचे ये थे करोगे ना तो आपको मिल जाएगा कि कैसे एक्सिस वगैरह चेंज करना है. और आप ऑलवेज, यू कैन ऑलवेज रीच आउट टू मी, तो मैं भी आपको गाइड करूंगा. व्हाट इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट इज द एनालिसिस पार्ट ऑफ इट. इज इट क्लियर? तो स्टॉक चार्ट को मैं अभी एंड करूं, इफ एवरीवन इज ऑफ द सेम ओपिनियन कि मुझे स्टॉक चार्ट को और भी स्ट्रेच करने चाहिए. गुड. सो आई हैव everyone, all of you. Good. So I have got confirmation from Neha, from Farhin too. Okay, so that's it from my side. Thank you very much. Please do not leave it. I'm going to share the attendance with all of you for the advanced Excel sessions. And once you file the attendance, then you may leave it. Just give me 30 seconds more.